Well, next this evening, a university in Shropshire says many lives could be saved if the government allows drones to be used in the fight against coronavirus. Harper Adams University near Newport has been developing the technology for use in crop spraying, but says it could also be used to disinfect large urban areas. And a company near Birmingham is also offering to help tackle Covid-19 by using ultraviolet light to kill the virus. Bob Hockenall reports.
For 4 years, Harper Adams University has been at the forefront of experiments with robot-controlled drones to spray crops. Here's one being tested in slightly windy conditions in Shropshire yesterday. The operators say there's usually less drift. Emergency workers could be trained up within days to use these drones to decontaminate large areas, stopping the spread of coronavirus.
The same technology has the capability of spraying a disinfectant over areas that we don't necessarily want to infect other operators and decontaminating agents around. So people with hand lance spraying systems might not want to go into the area, or we haven't got enough personnel to do it. Why not send a robot in there to actually spray from air?
Similar spray drones have already been used in China during the pandemic. Robert Pearson, a businessman from Newcastle-under-Lyme, has links with the Chinese company which developed their drones. He is lobbying the government on a daily basis, saying it needs to act fast to introduce the technology here.
Any delays will cause lives to be lost unnecessarily. We have the first drone fleet available for dispatch from China on Sunday the 29th. Even British Airways have offered to fly those in directly for us to avoid any delays. So we could have this operation up and running with 400 trained teams operating 200 drone systems within a matter of 10 days.
Spray drones aren't the only weapon against coronavirus made here in the Midlands. This Albury firm makes trolleys and hand lamps that emit ultraviolet light, which can kill coronavirus in seconds. The products have been in huge demand, selling as much in a day as they normally would in a month.